Just a caveat, Finland is in the middle of government negotiations, so I'm more talking about the past, not making any commitments to the future. But Finland has had a long history of promoting gender equality, starting 1864 when we gave women full rights at the age of 25, and in 1906 when they were allocated full electoral rights, so a long history. And we really believe in that women make the economy run. Like my colleague from Africa just said that, without women in the economy, it just doesn't work. And it makes all the sense in investing in women. A gender pay gap is a persistent gender equality problem. And also, as long as women are primarily responsible for unpaid work, it hinders their ability to gain economic independence through paid work. And we need legislation and public services to enable women to be an active part of the economy. And also, we strongly believe in the, both parents being part of the family equation as well. Finland supports innovative activities in developing countries. We have promoted stronger and more diverse economies and the creation of new solutions that support sustainable development. Our bilateral and regional innovation programs have strengthened innovation and startup economies in partner countries. The projects financed by us have created 57 research, technology and innovation partnerships in developing countries. We have supported business enabling environments in the private sector in developing countries, and the role of women in the economy have been promoted with measures such as access to micro, small and medium-sized enterprises owned by women, to business support services such as finance, training and networks. In addition, FinFund operations and development policy investments have been used to focus investments, especially on companies owned or managed by women. On the blended funding issue, we have contributed to regional economic integration. For example, Trademark East Africa has streamlined regional trade connections in East Africa, reducing trade costs. Multilateral trade and development organizations funded by Finland have strengthened the national and global business environment, improved trade policy expertise and contributed to sustainable industrial development. Assistance to UNIDO resulted in 121 legislative or policy proposals to improve the business environment or economic integration in 2019-2021. We have also, Finland is also a leader in the Action Coalition on Technology Innovation for Gender Equality. And the blended finance is channeled mainly through investments and concessional loans through multilateral development banks and funds operating under them. And we have investors in Finland such as FinFund and FCA Investment, which is an impact investing company established and owned by a Finnish NGO. In Finland, LUC, blended finance fund, which we have established together with the IDB Invest, 30% of the investments have a specific gender component. And with the ADB Venture Fund, special gender approach has been implemented in a third of the investments, and the other 2/3 include a gender mainstreaming component. FinFund offers long-term investment loans and venture capital to private companies for projects in developing countries. It is part of the International Gender Finance Collaborative and one of the founding members of the 2X Collaborative that aims to increase the volume and impact of capital directed towards women's economic empowerment. Some of the projects we have funded include education, health-related projects in Africa, microfinance projects in Myanmar and regionally in Asia, investments in an insurance company in Sri Lanka to support gender equality in life insurance schemes, healthcare companies in Rwanda and Kenya, regional food fund and telecommunication projects in Africa, and some SMEs in Nigeria during the economic crisis during the pandemic. And then maybe a different type of an economic incentive is the International Gender Equality Prize, which we established in 2017 due to the 100th anniversary of our independence. The prize will be awarded to a person or organization that has advanced gender equality in a globally significant way. The amount is 300,000 euros and it's awarded every second year. The recipient of the prize is a person or an organization who has promoted gender equality, and there are no restrictions on the nationality. The prize is a monetary award, but it's not granted for the awardee of the prize, but that person then designates an organization that they can give the money to. And anyone is welcome to propose a candidate. The process is currently open, and you can go to genderequalityprize.fi for further information.